Welcome to Biomedical Job Updates Worldwide. CareMed. Position is Biomedical Engineer. Industry is Hospital. Experience must be 3 years or more than that. Location is at Chennai. Females are only hired for this position. Contact the number for further details. ITSA Hospital. Post is Junior Biomedical Engineer. All type of medical equipments are carried out. Location is at Raipur. Qualification must be BE, BTech or Diploma in Biomedical Engineering. SL Raheja Hospital. Position is Biomedical Engineering. Experience minimum 1 year. Kindly send your resume at the given mail ID. Hexa Healthcare. Location is at Kanyakumari. Designation is Sales Coordinator. Products is all type of critical care and radiology. Number of vacancies is 2. Experience must be 1 year. Freshers are also eligible. Hexa Healthcare. Location is at Kanyakumari. Designation is Field Service and Engineer. Products critical care. Experience must be 1 year. Contact the number for further details. VM Meditech Private Limited. Location is Chennai, Trichy, Coimbatore, Pondi, Madurai, Salem. Designation is Sales Engineer, Senior Sales Engineer. Brand and products are radiology and critical care. Contact the number for further details. Panimalar Medical College Hospital. Post is Senior Biomedical Engineer and Junior Biomedical Engineer. Products is 3 years. Experience preferably lab equipment related with. Location is at Chennai. AH System. Location is at Bangalore. Designation is Junior Biomedical Engineer. Number of vacancies is 1. Educational qualification can be BE, BTech or Diploma in the relevant field. Send your resume to the given number. ZL Medi Solutions Private Limited. Organization is at Chennai. Designation is for Director. Products is Vino Ultrasound. Minimal 1 year experience is required. Clinical application specialist job is also available. TriMed Solution. Location is at Mumbai. Designation is Junior Biomedical Engineer, Senior Biomedical Engineer. The number of vacancy is 10. Qualification can be Diploma, BE or BTech in Biomedical Engineering. Radiant Medical System. Location is at E-Road. Brand and products are ultrasound and gynecology. Nature of work is related with sales. Contact the mail ID for the resume application. Virinchi Hospital. Post is Biomedical Engineer. Products is all type of hospital equipment. Location is at Hyderabad. Qualification must be Diploma in Biomedical or BTech in Biomedical. Contact the person for further details. Omega JMX Hospital. Location is at Surat, Gujarat. Education qualification can be BE, BTech or anything related with the field. Experience must be 2 years in the hospital. Contact the number for the further details. Sai Medical System. Post is Field Service Engineer. Only male candidates are available for this role. Experience must be within 2 years. Location is at Chennai. Contact the person for the further application. Niscomed Medical Devices Private Limited. Role is Sales Marketing Executive. Location is at Chennai. Must have 1 year or more than that of experience. Follow their website for the application. Epsilon Healthcare Solutions Private Limited. Location is at Jabalpur. Post is Sales Executive, Senior Sales Executive. Products are related with X-ray, CM, DIA system. Qualification can be Diploma or any graduation within the field. Adamas University. Post is for Assistant Professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering. Location is West Bengal. Qualification must be completed with PhD. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Medic World Healthcare. Post is Biomedical Service Engineer. Freshers are only eligible for this post. Location is at Karaikudi. Contact the person and the number for further details. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Biotechnica Healthcare Private Limited. Post is Sales and Service Engineer. Location is at Rajkot. Qualification must be biomedical engineer with relevant experience. Send your resume to the given mail ID. The Advanced Medical Systems Incorporation. Location is at Chennai. Designation is Territory Sales Manager. Brand and products are surgical instruments with neurosurgery, ENT related with. Qualification can be BTech or medical electronics. Unique Service Solution. Post is Field Service Engineer. Number of post holders for 2. Location is at South Karnataka and North Karnataka. Experience must be within 2 years. Send your resume to the given mail ID. TBS India Telematic and Biomedical Services Private Limited. Post is for Junior Engineer. Hospital equipments related with products are available. Location is at Goa and Mangalore. Contact the person for further details. VPS Lakeshore Hospital. Location is at Kochi. Designation is biomedical training. Educational qualifications BE or BTech in diploma. Experience must be within 1 year. Freshers are also available. Sparsh Hospital. Position is Group Head Biomedical Engineering. Location is at Bangalore. Qualification can be BE or BTech in biomedical. Experience must be more than 18 years within the healthcare sector. L8 India. Location is at Mysore. Designation must be Product Specialist and Application Specialist. Number of vacancy is 2. Qualification, it can be related with any department with science. HCL Tech. Qualification is BE Biomedical Engineering. Position is Design Quality Engineer. Experience must be within 14 years. Job locations are Madurai and Chennai. Thank you. Stay tuned for further updates.